Hey everybody, happy Friday and happy almost, here we are to the weekend. I just wanted to make a really quick video for you guys to show you how to get your book talk onto your book blog. So just taking a couple of minutes to help you guys figure that out if you need some help. So Monday, please remember, we are not going to have class on Monday. Stay home, read through chapters 8 and 11. You can also take that time to finish up your book talk and get that connected to your book blog. And also you guys have access now to everyone's book blog, so you can start reading over your classmates' blogs and posting some comments if you would like to take some time and do that. So I know you're going to miss this space. I'm definitely going to miss seeing you guys. But yeah, we will meet back again on the 22nd. So, okay, so here we go. I have my blog pulled up. As you can see, Memos from Meredith. I've got that pulled up. And this is how easy it is. Okay, so I'm going to go to my book talk. And here it is. All you want to do is click the share button. And you're going to grab that link and copy it. Go back to your blog. You're going to start a new post. Here we are. See this where it says link. Okay. Click link. Come right here and paste that link from your book talk in there. That's it. That's all you have to do. If you want, it says text to display. If you want that link to be your text, that's fine. Or if you want to take it out and you want to put book talk, like number 1, or if you want to name it something else, you can, or if you just want to leave it as that link, you can. But whatever you want to label it, that's fine. It does not matter to me. And you just click OK, and there it is. You can title it something if you want to. Doesn't whatever you want to put. Book Talk 1 is fine with me, or Meredith's Book Talk, or the name of the book if you want to do it. Mine was Thank You, Mr. Falker. Okay, and then when you're done, you just hit publish. You hit publish. There we go. All right. So then when you go to view it, so it will look like this. Thank you, Mr. Falker. And there it is. When people go to your blog to see it, as soon as they run their cursor, their mouse, whatever, over it, it will light up or, underline it like that. And it will take them straight to it. And it'll start. Ooh, that's kind of loud. Okay. So we're going to stop that, and that's how you get your book talk linked up to your book blog. It's as easy as that. Also, I know on the paper that I handed out in class about the book talk, this one right here, I know it said on the second page for you to submit your book blog to Blackboard. Do not do that, okay? I do not have it set up for you to submit to Blackboard, so please do not submit your book talk to Blackboard. You're not going to be able to do that, and you're going to get really frustrated trying to figure out how to do it because it's not set up for you to do that. So just submitting it on your book blog, that's how I'm going to be able to see it. That's how everyone else is going to be able to see it. So yeah. That's all I need you to do is just submit it to your book blog, because that's how I'm viewing everything and grading everything. So if you have any questions, just call, email, or come by my office. And that's going to be about it. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy this cooler weather, and I will see y'all later. Bye.